In this video, we're going to talk about MDB, that stock. Of course, we're doing Salesforce, and then we're going to do Path. We're going to go over all of them. We're going to look at some charts and everything. We have stuff for you. So this is Sunday. I'm relaxing. You know, this is what I do on a Sunday. It's May 27th. I mean, not Sunday, Monday. Sorry, we had the Memorial Day weekend here. And so we're just going to chill out and look at some stuff. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. Here we go. We're talking about these stocks because we're going into earnings, okay? We're going into earnings. MDB is going to have earnings, okay? Just wanted to let you know, okay? So it's neutral. For the year, it's up 19%. I'm just going over it for people who want to know about MDB. Okay, I'm not saying this is my stock or anything like that. Of course, you'll know when I'm into something because if I don't stop screaming. Alrighty, so right now they're feeling kind of very negative. Okay, but some people are bullish. Moderate here with the analysts. Okay, neutral here, 5. Let's just keep moving on. Let's look at the chart. Yes, okay. Now, the thing is here. Let me show you this right here. Okay, we're trading at like $350 practically, okay? But you see we're below this 200-day moving average, this gold line. The purple line, the price, this little candlestick right here is below this little green line. That's the 20-day and this 50-day. We're below all of that. So that's not too good. Not a fan of that. Why am I going over this stock? Because some people want to know because we're 3 days and earnings will be here. Okay. So right now I drew this line. You see how we bounced here before. Okay. And we bounced here before. This time we went through, but then we kind of like when we came close to that area, we went back up. We're here now. So it seems like this is a support level for right now. Okay. Now, always say the same. I'm always saying the same thing. Anything before earnings, because when earnings happen, a stock can sell off. Okay. It can sell off. Even if the stock was doing good or whatever, even if they were doing good with their last earnings, the earnings can come out. It could be green. They could beat everything, but it can still sell off if the street wanted even more than what they said. Maybe they wanted even greener, like up here. You see, I'm on the right side of the screen and it's just down here, you know, so things could sell off. So a lot of the times the way I play earnings is I'll let the earnings happen. Okay. Let them release their news. And then I can see if we're going to fall. Then I know if I really want the stock, then I could dip buy it or I'll let it go up. Right. I'll let it go and then wait. Cause usually when things go up, they slowly come back down and then I'll get in. I'll get on some support. So right here, we're here. When earnings comes, we don't know. Will we just shoot up? Because look, before when we tried to get through this area, we couldn't. When the stock hit there, it was resistance, like hitting a ceiling. People sold and we came back downward. And again here, and so we came back downward, and even here. So eventually, yeah, it'll break through, but we don't know when. So this could be a support level here. It could be $340. But if we break this, you see, and I said, the Gollum support level. What do you mean? I mean like this, people. Yes, I mean like that. Because why do I say that? It's like, oh, my precious. Because back here in September, okay, of 2023, and here, it held. This was like a floor support, okay, like the basement level, okay, Gollum, Lord of the Rings down there. You know, trying to find my precious and everything. That's that level. Okay. Yes. Come to me. That is that level. So if we break through this number right here, then you got a problem. Let me just bring it up. Okay. So if you break through these levels here, you have a problem. Okay. If you break below that, that'll be a whole nother video. So I just wanted to show you. So this is, you could take this as your buy zone, okay? Your Gollum support levels, your buy zone. Anything in between here seems good to go, Okay, you can set an alert. You can set a buy order in there on your trading platforms, your brokerage accounts, things like that. So now moving on, Salesforce. Yes, this is their website for everybody who has not seen it before. Just, you should look, right? We should look. Let's move on. Let's move on. I don't want the video to get too long. I took up a lot of time talking about this other stock. Okay, Salesforce right now is just a 6. It's neutral. But, bullish sentiment. Okay, crowd is positive. Okay, how much change for the year? This percentage change is not enough to make me excited. Okay, because I look at stocks like every day. I don't know when the last time I missed a day of looking at stocks on my phone, computer, something. So that's not enough to make me excited. But we're going into earnings in 2 days. Today is Monday. We're on the holiday weekend here. So this is why we're talking about it. They did okay with their last, earnings before. We have the little green dots and stuff. So where are we now? So we see price, reacted here with this line, okay, around $268. Right now, Salesforce is right here, okay, at this price. So it reacted here. And then when it came back above it, it touched, boo, this candle right here showed it touched. Hold on, let that little disappear. And it was like, yes, baby. This is now, it went boom. Okay. So that's now a support, a floor support. And it became a support there and also there. So it's been reliable. So you would think here it would do the same thing. It should. But, everything doesn't always have to do what it did before because we're below this purple line here. I don't like when we're below this. We're below 2 of our moving averages. This one, the purple and the green. We're above that one, but we're below 2 of the other ones. So, it's like, aye. So if you really want it, okay, but you should make sure we slow down because you see how we drop so hard, like fast, like, choom, okay? Like falling out the sky. Like when you first jump out the plane, everybody who ever parachuted before, I parachuted, okay? More than one time. When you jump out, when you first falling out the plane and you're going so fast before you pop your parachute, that's how that kind of fell, right? So you want it to slow down like it did over here. Slow down, start going sideways, okay? Before you start buying. So anyway, but we don't know. We're close to the earnings. So I would like, as I shown you before, what to do. Because what about if we go below? And then if we do, are we going to go all the way down here? What level would that be if I come across? Right? Okay. I'm not saying that. But, hey, we don't know. We don't know till it happens. Moving on. Don't want the video to be too long. Okay. Path. All right. So path right here. This stock here. It's a neutral. 5. All right. Okay. So, very bullish. Okay. That's what they're saying. Okay. See, so the stocks that I that I like to hold, usually, I want them to be doing more than that for the year. I've had this stock before in the past and everything. I've been in and out of it a little bit. So now this is the thing. See? Problem is, wait, hold on. Okay, you see? Technicals. See right here? Technicals say sell. Okay, I'm doing technical analysis right now. The analysts are saying buy. Yeah, so maybe it's a buy long term, but right now, like when you're trying to use a scalpel on this stuff and not a sledgehammer, it's like, oh wait, what is it? You got to be careful. Okay, back here, so we're going back. We're going back a little bit. It kind of bounced off this level, bounced back. I mean, not bounce, like resistance. It came back down a couple times until it finally broke through. Okay? Yes, earnings, and it broke through. So, like say, if these earnings, let's see what happened here. Okay, here we go. Last earnings. But look, when you look up here, look what happened at the last earnings. See, even this is green, this is green. What happened with the stock? Red candle here. Red candle. Came down. So even if a stock does well, it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't mean it's just going to go up. It depends how much the people expect it. Maybe they wanted these numbers to be even better. Okay. People are really finicky like that. Maybe the market was selling off too. So this is why no one can really predict what's going to happen in earnings, so I'm making sure that the stock is below our colored line, our moving averages. It's below our 50-day, below the 200 and below the 20-day moving average. That puts it like in a little, technically speaking, we're a little bearish right now. Okay, we're a little bearish, but this area, this price point, okay, for a long time has been a support level, resistance and support level. Price likes this area. So it could go up. You're not going to know. But if it breaks below this, Houston, we got a problem. Okay? If we break below that, it will be danger, Will Robinson, if we break below that moving average. Okay? So, because then God knows, right? Like, what are we doing then? Okay? How far will we drop? And then are we going to go down to here? $15 or something like that. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we stop somewhere, $18 or so. But I'm not even going to get into that. That's for another video. I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to show you those 3 stocks. Alrighty. And remember, old ways will not open new doors. Okay? Old ways will not open new doors. You got to do something new, people. Okay? Click like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.